Welcome back to Daily Drives, the channel where futuristic machines, breakthrough engineering, and next-level innovation meet every single day. If you love powerful vehicles, rare machines, and the technology shaping tomorrow's world, then you're in the right place. Make sure you're subscribed because today's feature is something truly special and absolutely mind-blowing. Today we're exploring the incredible Liebherr RE M Litronic Railroad 2026. A machine that has taken Europe's rail construction industry by storm and is now considered one of the most advanced roadway and railway excavators in its class. This new 2026 version pushes engineering boundaries with smarter hydraulics, more efficient engines, hybrid-ready systems, and extreme mobility that allows it to switch between road and rail in a matter of seconds. This is not just an excavator, it's a next-generation work partner, designed to reshape how tracks are built and maintained around the world. The first thing that makes the M Litronic so impressive is its dual-mode capability. This machine can drive on regular roads like a normal construction vehicle, and then instantly switch to its specialized rail wheels to run directly on train tracks. This ability makes it perfect for emergency repairs, nighttime maintenance, and fast deployment anywhere the railway network requires attention. It saves time, reduces manpower, and makes operations safer and smoother than ever before. The 2026 model features Liebherr's newest smart hydraulic system, built for precision and strength. Whether it's lifting extremely heavy rails, clearing old ballast, or doing delicate alignment work on overhead lines, this excavator now responds with smoother control and much higher efficiency. Operators say that the new Litronic system feels more intelligent, almost predicting movement and adjusting pressure automatically to keep the machine stable. This means faster work, less fuel usage, and incredible accuracy that older machines could never match. Powering the RE is Liebherr's latest low-emission diesel engine optimized for railway environments. It delivers strong torque for rugged pulling and lifting, while maintaining clean performance for urban areas and confined track zones. The 2026 redesign also prepares the machine for hybrid upgrades, meaning future versions may integrate battery packs or electric assist modules to reduce fuel consumption even further. This future-ready approach shows how Liebherr is thinking long-term and ensuring this machine stays relevant for years to come. One of the most impressive features of the new model is its improved mobility on tracks. Thanks to upgraded rail gear and perfect weight distribution, it maintains incredible stability even on uneven or slightly curved tracks. The rail drive system is smoother, quieter, and capable of handling surprising speed when moving between job sites. For railway teams, this means no more waiting for heavy transport vehicles. The RE simply drives itself to the next location. Safety has always been a priority for Liebherr, and the RE Litronic 2026 brings several new improvements. Advanced sensors monitor the machine's tilt, load limits, and track conditions in real time, alerting the operator before any risky situation occurs. The cabin has also been redesigned with better visibility and reinforced protection, giving the operator a clear and safe working environment. With more cameras, stronger LED lighting, and a smarter interface, it's easier than ever to control this beast in tight nighttime or underground railway zones. The attachment system on this machine is also something worth highlighting. From grabbing tools, tamping attachments, hydraulic grabs, and high-precision rail handling clamps, the RE can be transformed for dozens of different railway tasks in seconds. This turns one machine into a full multi-purpose fleet, saving companies huge amounts of money while increasing the speed of track construction and repairs. Another reason the 2026 RE is gaining worldwide attention is its durability. Liebherr machines are known for long lifespans, but this model goes even further with strengthened frames, improved sealing for dusty environments, and a cooling system designed specifically for long work hours on hot tracks. This ensures consistent performance whether it's operating in tunnels, deserts, or freezing winter rail lines for companies working on high-speed rail, metro systems, or freight networks. The RE25 M Litronic has quickly become one of the most trusted and demanded machines. Its ability to work fast, save fuel, reduce noise, and adapt to any job makes it a star in the world of railroad construction equipment. The 2026 model is proof that innovation doesn't always mean futuristic shapes. Sometimes it means smarter systems, safer working conditions, and technology that understands the operator better than ever. If you're passionate about heavy machinery, futuristic engineering, and the machines shaping tomorrow's infrastructure, then the RE25M is a perfect example of how far we've come. It stands as a symbol of power, intelligence, and reliability, everything Liebherr is famous for. Thanks for watching Daily Drives. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible Liebherr RE25 M Litronic Railroad 2026, make sure to hit like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing machine features every day. Your support helps us bring you the world's most exciting vehicles and innovations. Stay tuned, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.